Yeah, we really all do start out as idiots, so there's really no need to be offended by it. Now, as a quick little preface here before I go into this, and it's funny, people are in the chat room are just giving me a hard time about it because they're like, oh, wow, Clay, we've never heard that story. But I like to tell it just because it goes to show that I'm not making any of these comments from a condescending or a cocky or a, hey, I'm better than you type of way, because I was literally as idiotic as it is when I got started. And when I first got started back in college, I told my wife that I'm not going to need my engineering degree because this stock that I'm invested in is going to make us rich and we're going to be able to retire. And the stock happened to be a penny stock that specialized in stainless steel mufflers. So when I say that I was an idiot, I was an idiot. And there's nothing wrong with being an idiot when you first get started with something, because we all do start off as idiots with whatever we're doing. The key distinction, and I guess I'll kind of pat myself on the back here, is at least I was able to put my ego aside, look in the mirror and say, Clay, you're an idiot. How can I become not an idiot? And then from there, that is where improving can start. But you can't go through life and when people point out stuff that is wrong, for you to say, oh, that wasn't very nice. Why are you calling me an idiot? Just say, okay, all right. Why am I an idiot? How can I improve from that? That would be a much better way to approach it. And we have a good example of that here. So this comes from my other YouTube channel where I post my video charts. So let's go through this. Now, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this guy's name, but he says trying to recover. And a little context, this was a stock that had gotten absolutely hammered to the downside, and the person was quite a bit underwater on his position. So that's why I replied back, a long road ahead. He comes back and says, I see probably 3 to 6 months, unless it runs up 25 cents today, would save me. Now, 25% on this stock, I mean, that would be a huge move because this was a very low price stock. But this will come back, but I always wonder, 3 to 6 months, where is that even coming from? 3 to 6 months, especially under the context, which we'll get to in a second. So I say, well, you know what? Because his premise is, the only thing that's going to save me is for the price to come back up. And I say, listen, the only thing that is going to save you is you deciding to invest into learning. Right now, you seem to just be making it up as you go. They reply back, I am learning right now. Why do you think I watch your videos? And when I say smothered me, I didn't mean destroyed. I am new to trading, but I am not an idiot like you seem to be trying to imply, Clay. Well, you are an idiot. You just say you're new. You just say you're trying to learn. So where is this 3 to 6 months coming from? Hence you're just making it up as you go. Because I mean, even the most advanced of traders, even the most profitable of traders, they will say, I have no idea when anything could potentially go up, especially 3 to 6 months out. I mean, 3 to 6 months in and of itself is a big range. But that's why, listen, you are an idiot, and that's okay. We all start off as idiots, but you just admit to being new. You just admit to trying to be learning. So what makes you think you have any idea at all of 3 to 6 months when it could come back up? And plus, that would be the worst thing that could happen to you, because that's how bad habits are built. Price goes down, and then you wait, and you wait, and you wait. And then all of a sudden it goes back up. Hey, I made money. So then you say, hey, that's how you do it. That worked. And then you're going to go and do it again. And eventually maybe that one works, but one of those is not going to come back up and you're going to get smacked upside the head and it's not going to be pleasant. So that's why I say the only thing that truly will save you is not the price coming back up, because getting bad habits aren't going to save you, but learning is going to save you. And I realize that I'm trying to learn. That's great, but you're not very open-minded to learning when you are sitting here telling people that, hey, why are you trying to imply that I'm an idiot? Well, because of all the things I just discussed, and you'll look back on it when you get more experience and you'll be able to see that, yeah, you probably weren't approaching this all the right way. So I do commend the person. They're wanting to learn, they're trying to learn, but the learning lesson here that I want to try to get across, and I'm talking to myself here because I'm always off in new areas trying to learn stuff, is you gotta go into a situation realizing that you are an idiot. Because the key thing there is when you realize you're an idiot, then that's going to turn your attention to, okay, well, how do I not become an idiot? And that's going to open up the door of learning how to accomplish whatever you are. And if somebody now obviously I didn't call this person an idiot, but if anybody tries to critique you or tries to get you better, and then all of a sudden your comeback is, listen, I'm not an idiot like you're implying. I mean, just have an open mind, all right? You'll go far not only in trading, but in life with that sort of attitude. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.